Are you going out? He's going out to his favorite place. Vad säger Mackens? Hey, today we are out. I have a crazy dog. We are going out to do a little barbecue in this nature, like this park.
It's a nature preserve.
Nature preserve. And we are, it's a beautiful day and it's Easter, so we have the day off. So we thought we were just gonna
take Sunday, so
yeah, it's also Sunday. But we do have the day off.
yes, we do.
Hey, Troy is chasing insects here. So we are out because we wanted to just spend some time in the sun, and also there's a really nice little fire pit here on a mountain. So we're hoping that that's available. So we're gonna cook up some vegetarian hot dogs, like some vegetable hot dogs. They're really good. They're from ikea. And we're just gonna hang out in the sun. And Anna also made some dessert. Anna also made some dessert that we will enjoy in the sun. We didn't bring coffee, but we have water. So now we're walking maybe like 2 kilometers to that spot, and then we'll see you there. Well, so we wanted to go over there. I don't know if you can see the people. It's on the other side of this little lake. But they are there using this fire pit. So, but there is another fire pit over here. So we are going to go that way because we need to walk around the lake anyways. We're gonna walk this way to see if anyone's there, and if there is, we'll see what we do. But that's the spot we really want. So we're praying for that. Here with this little grill thing, and they provided food and everything over there. That is preferably a better spot, but we will do this for today, and it will be nice. We'll have a good time. Newspaper.
Ja, de är jättesnälla. Och sen de där tändpinnarna, the small ones.
Like this is enough?
I'll take a few. They're not gonna catch fire.
We don't need that much fire.
No.
Maybe like this?
Wait.
Oj, my kitties.
Yeah.
Oh. Oj.
because the wood is cut by like special needs people, like this place where people have special needs. So like, no, they're like autistic or something, and they can only do like one task. Or so like some people really like to cut wood. Like I know they told us that one person really likes to cut wood, and he or she like does that all day when. So they get the logs and they cut all the wood for these. So it's like a community service, like, but the other way around.
Yeah.
Like it's good for the community that these people have something to do, but it also fits them. Like it's okay. It's dessert time before the food because I think the dessert is better when you're hungry. Here we go. So like some of the pieces are from like the middle of the tray. So they're gonna be like very soft, and some are from the outer parts. So go ahead.
I'm going for a middle piece.
I think this is a middle piece. That one. It's gonna be very,
Very gooey.
yeah.
Good. Grazie.
Yeah. I don't want one because I already had like 5.
When you crave this, sometimes you buy it at a cafe and then it's dry. This is what you want it to taste. Like this is what you think you're gonna get, but you don't. But this time I did.
10 out of 10. Right?
It melts.
But the
In the mouth,
frosting,
yeah.
there's so much frosting, and
Yeah,
it's like,
just look at the frosting.
it's good. Are we having a silent minute for the?
Yes.
Yep.
Having friends and family that likes to cook is such a blessing because you often get blessed with good stuff. And me and my sister and my friends, we really love food a lot. So if you want to see how these are made, I will link my sister's channel so you can go check it out. She has the full process on there. And this was really, 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 really good. We were really enjoying it, as you can see. We were debating what we would call it in English because it's a Swedish pastry, and it's called kärleksmums. Kärleksmums, you say. And it literally translates like love yummies. Like when something is yummy, we say mums. That's so good. So I don't know what you'll call them, but maybe it will be love yummies because it's fitting. They really are like love yummies.
So nice to be out barbecuing. In Sweden, we have a saying that a little dirt will clean your stomach. So we are not so afraid of a little dirt.
These are very frozen. That's a lot of hot dogs. 10.
You're gonna eat all this?
Yeah, 2 each. And then 2 extra.
Andas.
She can't breathe.
And your eyes?
Look at my eyes. This is barbecue eyes.
That really is barbecue.
Yeah.
here I am just laughing at myself because I was trying to listen to see if this hot dog was ready because I couldn't really feel it with my fingers. I don't know what I was thinking, but it was real stupid. And we're also laughing because I'm just touching all the food with my fingers. But hey, we're going with the saying that, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And it hasn't killed us to this day, me touching all the food. So I guess we'll survive. What we're putting on these hot dogs is something that is inspired from IKEA. We put ketchup, toasted onions, what do you say, roasted onions, and then some cabbage that has been pickled. And it's really, really, really tasty. You can put mustard too if you like. I don't like mustard that much. But so that is what we put on these hot dogs. So if you haven't tried that, I don't know if they serve the hot dogs the same all over the world, but if they do, try it the way they make it. It's really, really good. The sound today came up horrible because of the wind, because we didn't have that little fluff thing for the microphone. So unfortunately, we lost like all the, or not all, but most of the conversation on the half part, like on the second half part of this video. So you'll just have to get by with my voiceover and some nice music that really sets the mood for the day. So it's all good. Me and Anna are just here. We're laughing so hard because I'm trying to make her get to do a voiceover, but she really doesn't want to do it. So we're just we're laughing. We're not laughing in the video. We're laughing here in the studio. I wanted her to say something about what she puts on her hot dog, but obviously it's what we all put on there. So I don't know what the point would be of that. Eating outside is really something special. Like, I don't know why, but the food always tastes so much better when you're eating it outside. I guess that's just a thing. Here I am just cuddling my little dog. He had been on the ground and it was kind of a little bit of a mountain that was very cold. So he was really shivering and being super cold. He normally has a coat on, but I didn't think it was going to be that cold. But I just comforted him here and he turned out fine. So it was all good. Getting ready to leave, and we have just spread out the fire and the ashes will cool down. It will be safe there. In Sweden we have certain periods, mostly in the summer, where we can't do fires. This is not one of those periods, so we're all good, just spreading it out. Nothing will happen. The ground is very moist. And I also wanted to say a quick something about the beautiful, beautiful thing we have here in Sweden that is called like all man's right to nature. And that is that we can go into any forest if it's not obviously private land, and we can spend time there and we can be there. We can pick mushrooms, blueberries, raspberries, whatever we find there. So we can go into the woods and we can be there. We just don't have to stay to the parks. We can go into other different kinds of woods. And this is called the all man's right. So that's amazing. And what I also wanted to say is that we're very careful about picking up our trash and not littering because of this, because we want to leave the nature intact and beautiful the way it is and not litter, because we have a lot of wild animals, no dangerous animals, but we still have wild animals that are there. And we have a long tradition of being able to use the forest and being there that we do appreciate. So we're always very careful to pick up any trash that we see and keeping it clean. And as you see in this video, you don't see no trash because people don't litter. We want everything to stay fresh and clean. Here we are just getting back to the car, and we did say something to you here, but the sound got cut off. But we really appreciated you hanging with us all day doing this little barbecue. And we really do hope we will see you next time. Thank you.